Your father didn't. Your teachers couldn't. And most men will die never understanding the dark truths you're about to hear. Because 500 years ago, one man wrote the most dangerous book ever published. Niccolo Machiavelli. His words were banned, burned, and feared because he exposed the real rules of power, the ones polite society pretends don't exist. And yet, every world leader still studies him in secret. Why? Because his principles don't describe how humans should act. They describe how humans actually act. If you've ever been lied to, betrayed, manipulated, or replaced, this will change how you see every human interaction for the rest of your life. 1. People aren't logical, they're emotional. Machiavelli wrote, "Men judge more by the eye than by the hand," meaning, people don't care what's true, they care what feels true. You can show someone the facts, they'll still choose the illusion that makes them feel safe. Your friend who ignores good advice, your coworker who complains but never changes, the woman who says she wants a good man but chases chaos. So stop arguing with logic. Speak to emotion. Don't tell people what's right for them. Show them you're weak. That's what makes them feel powerful. Because the man who masters emotion controls perception, and the man who controls perception controls the game. 2. Loyalty isn't noble, it's conditional. Your father said, be loyal. Machiavelli said, it is safer to be feared than loved. Here's the truth. Loyalty without reciprocity is slavery. That friend who only calls when he needs something. That company that preaches family but fires you overnight. That woman who keeps her options open while demanding your commitment. They're not loyal to you. They're loyal to their interests. So be generous with loyalty, but ruthless when it's betrayed. A man who stays loyal to those who don't deserve it isn't good. He's weak. And in this world, weakness is punished. 3. Reputation is more powerful than truth. Machiavelli said, everyone sees what you appear to be, few know what you are. Perception is reality. You don't need to show your whole self, only the version that serves your purpose. Want respect? Stop explaining, stop defending. Move in silence, but move with precision. Authenticity isn't about showing everything, it's about controlling what they see, while staying true to your mission. Because people don't follow what's real, they follow what's magnetic. 4. Conflict is inevitable. Prepare in peace. Machiavelli warned, there is no avoiding war, it can only be postponed to the advantage of others. Every man faces battle, in his career, his relationships, his mind. But the wise man prepares in silence. Train when no one's watching, save when no one's struggling, build when no one believes. Because when conflict arrives, it's already too late to prepare. Be calm, be ready, don't start wars, just finish them. The man who radiates readiness rarely has to fight. People sense danger and choose easier prey. 5. Don't be nice, be good and dangerous. Society says, be nice and people will like you. Wrong. Nice is just fear wearing a smile. Women don't crave nice. They crave strength with restraint. Nice men avoid truth. Good men speak it. Nice men seek approval. Good men earn respect. The world doesn't reward harmlessness. It respects power under control. Kindness without boundaries is weakness. Power without direction is chaos. But power with purpose, that's leadership. So here's the truth your father never taught you. You don't need to be loved. You need to be respected. You don't need to be liked. You need to be remembered. Machiavelli said, it is better to be feared than loved. if you cannot be both. But I'll add one more line. It is worse to be ignored than to be feared. And now, you'll never be ignored again. If this opened your eyes, subscribe now. Because what you just heard is only level 1. In the next video, I'll show you how to make people desperate to earn your approval. But don't click it unless you're ready to see how deep this really goes.